How to use Afterpay on Nike app. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can use Afterpay on the Nike app. I know I'm not in the app, I'm not in a mobile, but I wanted to explain you why. That's because as you can see, I'm here in afterpay.com in the United States and I just typed Nike and I didn't have any option with the Nike on. So as you can see, this is suggesting me some other brands, but there's no Nike. But in the other hand, if I open Afterpay in Australia, I have the option for Nike. Okay, in store, I'm gonna be able to buy some stuff in Nike using Afterpay. Probably, let me try if I use Nike here. Yes, I have the option of Nike here, as you can see in Australia. So I just suggest you to go at the bottom of your screen and check United States, I mean the location, and check other countries. This is in New Zealand, United Kingdom, and in Canada. So you can check these countries. Let's suppose New Zealand. So let's type Nike again and check if this is available. Yes, this is available. So this is just like a problem with the location, an issue with the location. So I just hope this is available in your country. If not, there's nothing to do. You're not gonna be able to buy anything in Nike using Afterpay. As you can see, in the United Kingdom is not available either. Remember, perhaps there's another option that you can use using Afterpay in the United States, because you got the option to buy a Walmart gift card. I know this is gonna be okay. This is quickly, but I did it. You're gonna be able to buy the Walmart gift card through the app of Afterpay, and once you have done that, I've just went into walmart.com and you can check some options here in Nike. Perhaps this is not the same like content or products you're gonna find in the Nike store, but here this is the option if you are in the United States or perhaps in some other country that doesn't have the Nike option directly here in Afterpay. So you can do it through the Walmart gift card. And now this is the end. Thanks for watching.